All right, so if you guys are looking for packing bags or moving bags, these are rough and tough. I'm gonna pack all this stuffed animals into one of these bags. We're gonna extend them so you guys can see the actual size of them. All right, so you guys can see. So we're gonna stuff one completely stuff and show you guys the results and see if you guys need any kind of bags like this. So I bought 4 of them. So let's go ahead and take them apart and start adding things in there. That's the max I can go here. This container was full and I still need the larger ones, and I don't think I'm gonna fit these, but without these, this thing actually can't. I don't even know if I'm gonna be able to close it. Let's go ahead and try it out. But just to let you guys know, I try to fill one of these gallon things. All right, this is a 27-gallon container that I try to fill up with the actual bag. I'm gonna see if that it didn't work, but let's go ahead and fill some more stuff in here. Probably like a 20-gallon, if you guys can see that. But I like that you could put your name tag in here. The zipper goes all the way to the bottom. There's 2 of them that you meet in here. This is waterproof, so you could put it on top of your car. Very, very, very big, and you can use it as a backpack too. So if you want to use this as a laundry bag, look at that. You got your bag, and this is, you can use it as a backpack. Look at that, that's perfect. And it's shaped almost as a rectangle. You guys can see that. So it has a lot of stuffed animals, toys in here, but we're gonna add some more and see if we can stack them up. The Velcro on the bottom, I think it's in case you want to stack them up together. You could tie them up together. All right. All right, 3 bags of stuffed animals. So I filled in 227 containers in here into 3 of them. All right, and I still have 1 more, but I'm gonna save that for later. But this is ready to donate. Stuffed animals in here fits perfect. So if you guys are looking for bags, you guys can see that big large bags. This is like a 20-gallon bags. Fills up a lot, to be honest with you. Great options. You could tie them up on your car. Weatherproof. Now if you leave them too much in the sun, it's like tarps, they're gonna dissolve. All right, so not to leave them too long out there. It's only for travel back and forth, and that's it. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video.